In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on eBay in just a few simple steps. This process is quick and straightforward, so let's jump right in and make sure your eBay account is up to date with your preferred email. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Go ahead and open up your browser and navigate to the eBay website. Once there, locate the sign in button, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password, then click the Sign In button to access your account. Now that we're in, let's move on to updating your email details. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of the eBay homepage where you'll see an icon representing your account. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, proceed to the Account Settings option. Once you're in the Account Settings section, look for Personal Information. This is where you'll be able to view and edit your account details, including your email address. Within the Personal Information section, scroll down until you identify the space designated for your email address. Next to your current email address, you'll notice an Edit option. Click on that to start the process of entering a new email address. Now you'll see a field where you can enter your new email address. Take a moment to carefully type it in, ensuring there are no typos since you'll be receiving a confirmation email shortly. After you've entered the new email address, remember to save your changes before exiting this section. Saving changes is crucial because without this step, your update won't go through. Before we wrap up, one last important step is verifying your new email address. To do this, check the inbox of the new email you just provided. eBay will have sent a confirmation email to it. Open the email and follow the instructions within to complete the verification. This might involve clicking a link or entering a code. Once this verification step is completed, eBay will officially recognize your new email as the primary contact for your account. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email on eBay. If everything went as planned, you should now be seeing your updated email address in your eBay account settings. This change ensures you continue to receive important notifications and updates from eBay directly to your preferred email. Keep in mind, if you run into any issues or need further guidance, eBay support resources are there to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more helpful tips.